салом дӯстон, хуш омадед. Номи ман Ҳусейн. Ин ҳафтаи 22. Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Hussein. This is week 22, and if you are new to this channel, we teach Tajik here, also known as Farsi Dari. Alright, so let's get started. Tourist, sayёҳ, sayёҳ, sayёҳ. The museums attract a lot of tourists. Музейҳо бисёр сайёҳонро ҷалб мекунанд. Музейҳо бисёр сайёҳонро ҷалб мекунанд. Tour guide, роҳнамои сайёҳӣ or роҳбалад. роҳнамои сайёҳӣ or роҳбалад. Okay, so роҳнамои сайёҳӣ or роҳбалад. Роҳбалад is more common, and also we have another word, gid, which is from Russian. We use it gid as well. Our tour guide showed us the old town. роҳбаладамон ба мо шаҳраки кӯҳнаро нишон дод. роҳбаладамон ба мо шаҳраки кӯҳнаро нишон дод. The word кӯҳна, which means old, usually people don't pronounce he in the middle. So it sounds like кӯҳна without he. Visa, раводид, раводид. And раводид is not that common. You can also say visa. People will understand you. Alright, my visa has expired. Муҳлати раводиди ман ба охир расид. Муҳлати раводиди ман ба охир расид. Passport, шиноснома, шиноснома. And people also use passport. Passport is also common, so you can use both of them in Tajikistan. So, show me your passport. Ба ман шиносномаи худро нишон диҳед. Ба ман шиносномаи худро нишон диҳед. But baman here is optional. You can say it without baman, so it will sound like шиносномаи худро нишон диҳед. And this is the Tajik passport, Tajik international passport. We have two, one international and one local. So, like this. Suitcase, ҷомадон, and the word ҷома means clothes, ҷомадон. And people also use чемодан instead of ҷомадон. Чемодан is from Russian. So, the suitcase is too heavy. ҷомадон хеле вазнин аст. ҷомадон хеле вазнин аст. If you are traveling to Tajikistan, I would recommend you to watch our video about travel vocabulary. You can find a link to that video in the description box. Hotel, меҳмонхона, and mehmon, maybe you already know, it means a guest, and khona is a house. Mehmonkhona. So the sentence, the hotel can accommodate up to 500 guests. Mehmonkhona metavonad to 500 mehmonon qabul kunad. Mehmonkhona metavonad to 500 mehmonon qabul kunad. Sightseeing, тамошо кардан or сайр кардан. Тамошо кардан or сайр кардан. So both тамошо кардан and сайр кардан. And we went sightseeing in Panjakent. Мо ба тамошои манзараҳои Panjakent рафтем. Panjakent is a small city in western Tajikistan, and if you like the history, you might enjoy visiting the place called Sarazm, which is 5,500 years old, and it's not far from the city center from Panjakent. Souvenir, cavғотӣ, барги сабз or сувенир. Cavғотӣ or bargi sабз, or another one which is more common, souvenir. Souvenir is from Russian. And to be honest, I've never heard anyone saying cavғотӣ or bargi sабз, even though I worked in a tour company. Bargi sабз, it sounds a little weird because it means like a green leaf. So usually people say souvenir. Okay, the sentence. Ponu wanted to bring home a souvenir. Ponu mehост ки ба хона сувенир биёрад. Ponu mehост ки ба хона сувенир биёрад. And Ponu is a female name. Entrance, даромадгоҳ. Даромадан means to enter. So, where is the entrance? даромадгоҳ дар куҷо? And you might hear people saying дар куҷост or дар куҷо аст, but it's a bit too formal. You can just say даромадгоҳ дар куҷо. Exit, баромадгоҳ. And the last one, баромадгоҳ, баромадгоҳ. And sometimes you might see the signs like баромад or даромад. So it's the same, баромадгоҳ, баромад. Баромадгоҳ is more common. So there are 12 exits in the building. Бино 12 то баромадгоҳ дорад. Бино 12 то баромадгоҳ дорад. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Take care. Раҳмати калон барои тамошо кардагиатон. Саломат бошед. Хайр.